Alright, got the camera on. I don't really like using the webcam because it's kind of ghetto looking, but whatever. Alright, we took a trade today. Today is December 20th, 2024. I don't remember the last time I took a trade, but it's been a while because of finals, everything going on. Uh, Combination of finals and like the market's just been price action just been so bad in my opinion lately. So we had 7:30 news, pretty high impact from this candle, and yeah. So going into the day, I was kind of bearish. Uh why was I bearish though? Uh I really couldn't tell you. It just looked like that's not really good. Why was I bearish? I can't really explain why I was bearish. It's not too good. Let me see if I can figure it out. I get kind of nervous on the spot. Uh oh yeah, I was bearish because everything was dumping. Like pre-market, everything was dumping, and just yesterday we dumped. On Wednesday, FOMC, we like completely dumped everything. Got crypto market was liquidated. Everything, everybody's bags were red, bro. So uh, and we continued that trend today. So I was looking for some shorts. I saw on the 5 minute, or we can go on the 15 minute now. We swept some liquidity on the 5 minute. That's where I took the trade off of. Um, yeah, we swept these highs, these overnight highs, and we had this inversion. I was hoping I got like a setup on the 2 minute right here, but I already knew it wasn't gonna close and invalidate us or invalidate this fair value gap. So I was like, let me go on another time frame. It always does this type of stuff. I knew it wasn't gonna close. I knew it was gonna break structure, but not give us the entry we needed. So just went on a higher time frame. 3 minute didn't look too great. We already made this huge sell off right here. 5 minute looked pretty decent. So I was like, bet. I was like, all right, let me take this. Uh, I could have done something better. I took it on top step. My plan for the day was to risk like 150, which is like really small, but that's the plan moving forward for the eval. Cause think about it, if I started like on a, let's say I started completely fresh on like a 50K, right? You blow the account, like what 3K? So I think it's 3,000, right? So let's say you risk like 500 a trade, and you lose four trades in a row. Wait, is it 3K or 2K? I think I remember it being. No, it is 2K. It's 2,000, and then 3,000 is the profit target. So yeah, imagine if you risked 500 each trade and you lost four trades in a row. Your account is cooked, and that's a reality. I mean, people go on losing streaks like four in a row, especially like if you're not one of the top, like if you're not really like really profitable. You're gonna have those times where you go on losing streaks, and I feel like everybody goes on losing streaks, no matter if you're profitable, really profitable or not. You go on losing streaks. So uh yeah. So I used to do like 250, which is what I risked today. So it wasn't that bad. Maybe I did risk more than I should have, but I kind of felt like clean about this setup. So um The take profit was based on data lows. This is a huge candle we made on data when news came out. Why is this still okay? Yeah, so I based the take profit out of that because price sometimes likes to draw back towards where we made data lows or highs. We look good for like the first minute, but that's how it usually goes. At least for me. Like if we're in like the direction we want, like when we first enter the trade, I usually always get stopped out unless we're in the trade and we look good and then it just automatically goes to take profit. But that wasn't the case. Yeah, so stop loss was pretty tight because I already had it set for 250 and I put 5 contracts in, and so the 250 mark was right here. So I could have risked it less, maybe traded with like 2 or 3 contracts, but instead traded with 5 because I was pretty confident. I like the trade, I like the setup, so that's why we took it. If we got to this point, I was gonna take like 3 contracts off, but we didn't. We were pretty close, so it is what it is. Down only 250, so we didn't over leverage, we didn't over risk, didn't break any rules. Let me make sure because it's been a minute since I took a trade, so let me make sure I didn't break any rules. But I'm pretty sure I didn't because I should know my plan, right? But it's always good to double check. Yep, check. This, and I traded my setup too, so maybe this right here, maybe it was like already too far gone. Maybe it was already, but we didn't hit this low, so it wasn't too late. I don't know. I liked it. I followed my bias. We're in direction of getting these data lows, so just womp womp. I guess it is what it is. Is that what they say? Should I just do this manual lockout? F it. I'm about to just like full port everything. I'm about to buy some contracts, guys. We full porting, boys. We get in this funded account. Joking. But yeah, short and sweet. What, 8 minutes in? Don't really have anything else to say. Unfortunate. I wish we got some partials and we had a risk-free trade, but it's how it goes. ES did look decent too. Like on the 2 minute, I was literally about to take this, and we could have had some partials, but probably would have got stopped out. Either at stop out or at break even. Oh, look at this. We're about to make an SMT, right? If it goes down into our direction, it hits data lows. Honestly, I might take this setup. If actually we're already at like 250. If we're at like if we risked it one if we lost like 150 for the day, maybe I'll look for another trade. But yeah, it's tempting though. It's tempting. It really is. But that's what you gotta control. Don't be tempted, guys. Unless it's smart. It's you thought it out. Like you thought about it and you realize it's a smart idea. All that. It's your setup. Blah blah blah. But yeah, I'm most likely done. I've been feeling sick, so I'm probably just gonna eat some breakfast, and then yeah, I got work later today, so probably work out, eat, workout, and then get ready for work. So we out. I'm about to take the setup. No, I'm just kidding. Goodbye. I'm so weird.